सारा ये क्या है?
LemonGrass.
Hello doctor family, we hope you are well and watching our videos. Today we bring to you one of the most common herbs used traditionally for treating different ailments. Lemongrass is a grass-like herb with long slender foliage that grows to the height of 2 feet. It is believed that globally 100 species of lemongrass exist. It is known with other names as well. Here we have a few pots which are prepared for some caring gardening loving families. These will soon find their place at a new home. Fresh lemongrass is used to prepare healthy oils for cleaning skin, strengthening scalp and hair follicles. Although some people leave the lemongrass to be dried on the plant, it is however not recommended. There is a belief that there is a marked difference in flavor and aroma of the herb. Therefore, many people harvest the lemongrass when stalks are half-inch thick, dark green, and at least 18 inches tall. The lemongrass is usually harvested when they are green and dried later under sun. This dried lemongrass is then used to prepare healthy lemongrass tea. Some of the health benefits of lemongrass tea includes pain relief, reduction in fever, bloating, and fluid retention in body as it is a diuretic as well. Lemongrass is therefore very helpful in weight management with belly fat reduction. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties as well, and it is also used as a remedy for different digestion related issues as well. Do post your feedback and queries in the comment section of the video. You may also watch our video on how to grow healthy sprouts of fenugreek, which are another very healthy option. Click the circle that appears on your screen and subscribe our channel. It's me, Dr. Lee from the Team Doctor signing off. Take care.